Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, classmates. So, my name is Jakia Amramata, and I am the Group 3 presenter. So, our group decided to choose Samsung Company. So, Samsung is a South Korean company that is one of the world's largest producers of electronic devices. Samsung specializes in the production of a wide variety of consumer and industrial electronics, including appliances, digital media, devices, semiconductors, memory chips, and integrated systems. It has become one of the most recognizable names in technology and produces about a fifth of South Korea's total exports. So, human resource of Samsung. The Strategic Human Resource Management, or SHRM, and its practice in the one of the world's biggest company, Samsung Group. Evaluate how Samsung is practicing human resource management. So HR functions and various models, how Samsung adapt vertical and horizontal integration in their human resource department, and then give some recommendations for Samsung according to the discussion. So it also maximize management efficiency by building processes for world-class production capabilities based on cost effectiveness. So the Samsung management is devoted human resources and technology to create superior product and services, thereby contributing to a better global society. Next is the Samsung Transportation. It developed tracking sensors for parcels at only $1 per sensor, which we call tracking beacons. Samsung currently works with 29 different companies that handle the logistics of shipping a single container of Samsung G3 smart watches from Asia to Europe. So Samsung is currently testing their Samsung Safe Track, which has installed a camera in the front and a screen in the back, enabling vehicles behind the truck to see what's happening in front of the truck before planning an overhaul. So the Samsung device has a GPS and SIM card that retrieves data from a lorry in which it is located. So the device also acts as a Wi-Fi hotspot for the driver's devices. For example, the driver's uses a tablet to locate or receive the signatures on parcels or other transactions. Next is the relations with internal customers. Samsung focus isn't just on selling a product or fixing something when it's broken, but it is also on building relationships throughout the entire customer journey. Building relationships that solve problems and improve customers' lives means that Samsung has to put resources into its programs. It is not just customers who are connected to the products, employees are as well, yes, of course. Samsung lets its employees, especially those in the service areas, use their products for personal use so they can fall in love with them and naturally want to provide amazing service. The hope is that employees will be fueled by their own passion for the brand and products and want to share that with customers. Next is the quality of product. So there is this quote where we deliver on the basis of an efficient quality system, the best products and services which conform to our customer requirements and expectations. So Samsung makes every effort achieve excellence and consistent product quality and at the right time to ensure customer satisfaction. So Samsung company continued to make advancement on technology and product quality fronts with a number of its technology products ranging from semiconductors to computer monitor and LCD screens climbing to top 5 positions in global market share. So Samsung has chosen the right path, a path that not only makes the company more approachable and human, but one that also makes room for a lot of innovation. So kabalo naman jud ta nga every year nag-release jud og bagong model, or every 2 years nag-release og bagong model ang smartphones or other company. Then next is the quality of service. So Samsung Semiconductor has continuously enhanced the quality management system to achieve the best quality in all products and services, measurable and consistent with quality policies, give health professionals control, putting people at the center for an enhanced patient experience. ISO certified for the quality management and environmental management. So the competitor logistics performance, which is the Apple, because Apple is one of the world's most valuable brands, and Apple is also the Samsung's biggest competitor. Apple operates worldwide, but the Americas is the most important region with 45% of sales. Most of the company's products are manufactured by outsourcing partners located in Asia. So Apple's main source of income is the selling of products such as smartphones, tablets, and personal computers. The iPhone is its line of smartphones that are based on iOS, and every year releases new editions. So at Samsung, we endeavor to build strategic partnerships with top performing suppliers based on mutual trust. So this is why we adopt a fair and transparent process in operating our supplier registration system for new suppliers, while performing annual system assessments to assist our suppliers in reinforcing their competitive edge and minimizing relevant risks. So the trends are retail and hospitality, wearables, data storage, sustainability, increasing healthcare spending, and the brand reputation. So this is the Samsung SWOT analysis, wherein the strength it's research and development, the award-winning brand, ecologically friendly innovations, stronghold in the Asian markets, while the weakness is that heavily dependent on the American markets, decline in smartphone sales. Opportunities is the triple protection proposition, HR management, diversification and acquisition, and the threats is the controversies, increased competition, legal and regulatory threats. So to deal with this threat, there is a need for the company to generate low-cost products. The next is the pest factors, wherein the political factors. Samsung is an electronics company and needs to abide by new and pre-existing governmental regulations. While in economic factors, it is the leader of the smartphone industry, comes with its own sets of problems. The strength of the Korean won is a large factor for Samsung's success. So in 2014, the company blamed the declining Korean currency for the 25% profit decline, but that's not anything to blame. The slow developing smartphone market was put on the shopping block, followed closely by time. It takes years to develop the new version of Samsung products, resulting in stagnant sales. Not everyone swapped out functioning pre-existing phones just because a newer version has appeared. With the social factors, the pressure to be innovative despite customer complaints, Samsung operates as a South Korean family-owned company. Their products are exported to countries all over the world, and Samsung must adapt and tailor its products to these local markets. This means to provide the best options, the company must truly understand a range of audiences. While the technological factors, they need to create more and more. Technology is Samsung's biggest strength. Everything they offer, phones, televisions, tablets, are all facets of technology. The company consistently creates upgrades to existing product every couple of years. So the public, private, and contract warehouse is that Samsung SDS develops strategies for the most efficient warehousing and transportation operation by using Salo and the latest IT solutions while shipping and storing your shipments safely and securely. We also maximize your operational efficiency by using a range of solutions to optimize and innovate warehouse tasks and processes. So we standardize or the Samsung standardized the range of warehouse tasks and process to provide an efficient warehouse operation. While the public, private, and contract carriage is that Samsung Electronics, or core division of Samsung Corporation, has awarded BAX Global a major contract to handle logistics and transportation services in both North and Southeast Asia. Samsung Electronics Logitech provides worldwide ocean or air forwarding logistics for Samsung electronic products exported from Korea. So, Samsung Electronics Logitech provides quick and accurate transport service and cargo tracking information and ranked second for awarding company in 2008 CAS Statics. So, Samsung ensure reliable logistics via a close partnership with global air or sea carriers and forwarders. Okay, that's all. Thank you for listening.